Capture every moment on your journey with the Car Dashcam DVR 4K. Looking for a high-definition, modern, and reliable dashcam for your car? The Car Dashcam DVR 4K is the perfect choice. Ultra-clear 4K resolution, record every detail with crystal clarity, day or night. Smart dual lens, simultaneously captures front and rear views for all-around protection. 3-inch IPS display, bright and easy-to-read screen for quick access. Wi-Fi and GPS connectivity, instantly review, share your trips, and track your routes with precision. 24H parking monitor, keeps your car safe even when you're not around. G-sensor technology, automatically saves video during sudden impacts to protect crucial evidence. With the Car Dashcam DVR 4K, you're not just getting a trusted road companion, but also a digital witness that safeguards you in every traffic situation. Check out the product here, Car Dashcam DVR 4K. Reminder, 6 mRCC is 6 meters cable of rear lens. 10 mRCC is 10 meters cable of rear lens. BL is buck lines for 24-hour parking monitor. Wi-Fi is connection the DVR with your mobile phone. GPS is for navigation. Wi-Fi Car DVR 3.0 inches screen Full HD 1080p dual lens rear view dash cam vehicle camera video recorder 24 hours parking monitor auto motion detector car camcorder GPS tracker. Specifications: 1. Screen, 3.0 inches HD screen. 2. Lens, 170-degree high-resolution wide-angle lens. 3. Resolution, 1920 and 1080. 30 frames per second. 4. Pixels, 500 mega. 5. Video format, AVI. 6. Photo format, JPEG. 7. Language, Russian, Japanese, French, Italian, German, Spanish, English, Korean. 8. G-sensor, built-in 3-axis, emergency save, would not be deleted. 9. Loop recording, seamless loop recording, do not miss 1 second. 10. Automatically turn on off, support. 11. Motion detection, support. 12. Time synchronization, support. 13. Night vision, support. 14. Memory card, TF card, max 128 gigabytes. 15. Microphone, built-in. 16. Built-in stereo, support. 17. Interface, AV out/USB. 18. Current frequency, 50 Hz/60 Hz. 19. Wi-Fi, built-in. 20. GPS, support.